what's up? Welcome to my channel. It's another Foundation Friday today. I'm so excited. Foundation Friday has been a fun, successful type of video to do every single week for you guys. Foundation Friday is basically every Friday I come here on YouTube, talk to my YouTube family, and we talk about a brand new foundation that I've discovered or that has hit the market. Most of the time it's something that I've discovered. So I discovered the Milk Makeup foundation today. It's the Blur Liquid Matte Foundation. Before I go ahead and explore this foundation, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like these videos because that helps your girl out. And I mean, I'm sure you want to help your girl out. So anyways, you guys, we're going to go ahead and explore the Blur Liquid Matte Foundation. It is a full coverage foundation and it's by Milk Makeup. They have a pretty good shade range. It's okay. They could have more. They have about 20 colors. I mean, that's what I see here on their website. I'm not sure, but it looks like they have about 20 colors. I went ahead and got the color tan, but I think the color tan is a little too dark for me. I should have gone in with maybe something one shade lighter. So they obviously give you a, the price is really small on the side. It's a $40 foundation and they give you a whole YouTube video that will actually tell you how to apply the foundation. Seems a little complicated to me, but that's nice. Being informative and teaching people how to use foundation is great. It's weightless, it's oil-free, silicone-free formula. Gives you flawless full coverage with a lightweight serum-like feel. Yeah, it does feel a little serum-y, so I would say that's right. It's pore blurring. I don't know about the pore blurring part, but blurs pores and fine lines instantly with blurring microspheres. Power-filled spheres that diffuse the light and leave smooth matte finish. It's mess-free. I guess it's mess-free because it has like this tip. I will say that this is like pretty unique type of packaging. It's not like super innovative, but just adding that tip made it really unique and nice. I definitely like the aesthetics of this. It's cute, it's nice. The packaging's not bad. Shake the tube, then dispense 1 to 2 drops onto fingers or dab and blend applicator and blend onto face. So I definitely went in with a lot of products. So it could also be that I over product my face, but I mean, either way, it should work the same. Go ahead and try on this foundation. I'm going to show you guys clips of me trying it on. And then I'm also going to give you guys, in the end, you know the drill if you've been watching these videos often, I'm going to go ahead and tell you guys what I feel about this foundation throughout the day, how it looks, does it look good, does it not look good, and I'll let you guys know. So far, I'm a little indifferent, so let's go ahead and just wear it the full day and see how it goes. So let's go and try this foundation on. To prime my face before I go into my foundation, I'm gonna go in with my Stellar Brilliant Primer. You guys know I love this primer. It just really fills in my pores. Not only does it fill in my pores, it also fills in my fine lines and it makes my skin plumpy. So that's why I really love this primer. I also love their foundation, but today I want to test out a new foundation by Milk Makeup. So I'm going to have to skip on my beloved Stellar Beauty, but you guys know I love this one. I'm in the shade S15. I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup foundation and I'm just going to go ahead and test this out. So this is the shade Tan, and I'm going to put this on with a beauty blender. It seems like it's a beauty blender type of foundation. Go ahead, I'm going to just pour it on, pours on. It's very liquidy. I hope this shade goes with me. Ooh, this is really dark. It's kind of orangey. It's a little concerning, but it's thick. So let's get this all down my neck so it can be a little even. It goes on really good. The coverage is really nice. I wouldn't say the color is so nice. I really hope this does not oxidize because I'm gonna look real orange. We're gonna have serious problemos if this oxidizes. So obviously I put on like way too much on my brush. This color is so not me. I need one shade lighter. It's not their fault. I definitely need one shade lighter. A little goes a long way with this foundation, you guys, and it's going on pretty good. I'm actually liking it. As you guys know, you can never tell what a foundation is truly like until you've really tried it on. Ooh, but this color, ooh, it's really dark on me. It's really dark. Like, I'm gonna have to fix this. Let me see if I can even fix it. Maybe I can. So they have this concealer, and this concealer doesn't say what shade it is. They say it's a flex concealer. But let me see if it's too light then. Oh no, we can go in with this concealer. Oh, this is cute. I like this packaging. Okay. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put it on my chin. Cause your girl, we need to tone this color down. And then I'm gonna just kind of do a little like cut right here. Just to give my face some shape. And oh my God, you guys, like I look kind of scary right now. This is crazy. I should have gone in some of my foundations. I need to go in with my red corrector. So this is my red corrector by Maybelline. Some foundations I need it, some foundations I don't. Kind of already knew I was gonna need it with this foundation, but I need to get back into using my red concealer corrector because I'm starting to notice like I'm just getting like I can't. For some odd reason, like this area of my face tends to get really discolored, so it's just part of the deal. It's part of me and my tan skin, and I'm not ashamed of it. It's just foundation just looks ashy in that area, and like the goal of wearing foundation is to look even. And I don't know, it just helps. Okay, so I've already tried on the foundation, as you saw. Now I'm going to talk to you guys about layering products on top. So when I went to go layer products on top of this foundation, it was not completely dry. I've noticed that this foundation takes a while to dry. So you definitely want to take 1 or 2 minutes and let this dry. Maybe like touch up your eyeshadow, touch up your brows or something. You definitely want to let this foundation dry. So what I went ahead and did is I went ahead and put in this Milk translucent medium powder to set this. It did a good job. I think I really, really like this. It does really set the foundation really, really nice. And then I went ahead and also used their concealer. The concealer is okay. I feel like it does have, it's a little too dry for me, and I do see like a lot of like fine lines being emphasized with the concealer. So for me, this concealer is, I don't know, I want to test it out a couple more times before I actually like give my final verdict on that. And then I also went in and used the Kush mascara. I know this is like, since we're like talking about MAC products, I just wanted to include this Kush mascara. This was a bomb, you guys. Like, I don't wear mascara, but this was like, when I put it on, I was like, whoa, this is some good shit. Like this Kush mascara, it's really, really good. For my skincare, I did use the Milk cooling water, which was my favorite. Like, I love how this feels on my skin, and it really helped depuff my face because my face is always super puffy, and this really helped depuff my face. So this is good stuff, the cool water. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end this video with my final verdict, me testing it out throughout the day. Go ahead and watch those clips, and here we go. Hey guys, so it's pretty much already I think it's like 11 p.m. I've had on this foundation since noon. And if you can see, I mean, it's not a horrible looking foundation. As you guys can tell, I used the Milk Makeup Foundation today in the shade Tan. I already discussed that. But anyways, so let me tell you guys, this foundation at first, it looked horrible. When I first put it on to my face, I didn't like it at all. It was really shiny. It didn't dry down as much. It just made my, I don't know, like it didn't really complement my skin that much. But if you see me right now, my skin actually looks really, really good. It doesn't look bad, right? I do look really shiny, so definitely the oil control is not that great on this foundation. It didn't really oxidize. It basically stayed the same color, and it looks really good. Like, it looks really radiant and pretty, but when you get up close, you can notice a lot of like, it just like broke apart over here, completely broke apart right here, and then it completely broke apart right here, and it's almost like completely gone. in this section of the area. And you guys already know I always talk about how these are like my trouble areas. Like foundation always tends to slide in this area. What else like kind of bugged me is like if you look really close, there's a lot of texture right here. Like that's a lot of texture. And if you've been watching me on my and if you've been watching me here on YouTube and following me and, you know, just doing these like foundations with me, you guys know that this foundation is not the best looking foundation on me. You can see a lot of the, you know, texture, like a lot of texture. Like when usually other foundations don't show up this much texture for me, it's just not, it's not my taste of foundation. Now, this isn't a horrible foundation. I don't want to like shit on a foundation. Like it's still good. Like it's still a good foundation. It still gave me the pigmentation. It still gave me the things that I needed, but it's not my taste in foundation. I like foundation that dries faster. This foundation took forever to dry, you guys. Literally, it took like 30 minutes for it to dry. Maybe because I put on like way too much. I did put on way too much. Like it says originally to just put on drops. I went in like I poured that shit. So it could be that, but it just still took forever for it to settle. And as you can see, it doesn't really control my oil, which is okay because I have dry skin. I really don't need things to control my oil, but you guys have to keep in mind, I'm a blogger. So I'm an influencer. I put on makeup and I go on to camera. I do video. I do tons of stuff. So I don't like to use filters when I do, like, you know, when I capture myself on camera. And the reason why I don't like to wear, you know, do filters is because filters always makes the makeup look different. And I like the makeup to look true to color or true to what it actually looks like in person. Like, I'm just like a realism, and I like to keep it like 100, right? So when I put on a foundation and I go onto camera, like I need to feel like, ooh, like my skin looks beat, my skin looks flawless. I don't get that with this foundation. With this foundation, my skin just looks like skin. So that's why I said it's not a bad foundation. If you're into foundation that just looks like skin, then this foundation is good for you. I definitely would recommend this foundation for everyday usage. It's perfect. Like, you know, if you're going to college, you're going to work, you know, you're not someone who's on the camera all the time, or you're not really caring about taking selfies all the time, and you just need a foundation that like works out for you, and you want something that's really clean, then this Milk Makeup foundation will be perfect for you. Now, me personally, I think like there's other foundations, like Stellar Beauty foundation gives me like an amazing, like camera ready, vibrant tone. So for me, like I'm gonna go with a different foundation. I'm not gonna go with this one. But if we're reviewing just this foundation, then I'm gonna give it a 4 because it is worth it. It's worth $40. It does all the things that it promises, except for the whole like putting the pores down. Like that part was not real. Like that part was like minimizing pores. That's a little like not real. But if you have dry skin and you tend to just like full coverage, you know, easy, like Hollywood skin, then this is definitely the foundation for you. If you're into the cake like I'm in, then this is not the foundation for you. But like I said, I'd give it a 4, and I'm giving it a 4 because it did what it said it would do. It's affordable, it's healthy, it's like a healthy foundation, which I like healthy foundations because like if you wear foundations like every day, you're not gonna want to have your skin looking crazy. You know, you want to have like some type of skincare in it. So that's like my opinion. If you guys have any questions on this foundation, if you have any like recommendations, or if you've tried this foundation, go ahead and comment down below and let me know what you think. Maybe I might be using it wrong. Maybe, I don't know. Like this is Foundation Fridays, all about experimenting about foundations. And through my experiments, I'm learning about foundations, and I'm becoming like a semi-expert kind of on foundations because I've tested them out so much because your girl loves foundation. So anyways, you guys, this is the end of this video. Go ahead and subscribe down below, leave a comment, like, and don't forget to meet me back here next Friday. Bye.